Chicken nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit. Dip it all in mashed potato nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit. Dip it all in mashed potatoes. Dip it all in mashed potatoes. Dip the mashed potato covered chicken nugget biscuit in the barbecue sauce. Yum, yum, gimme! Chicken nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit. Dip it all in mashed potatoes. Biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit nugget, biscuit nugget in a biscuit. Dip it all in mashed potatoes. Basket.
Do you like my sword, 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 my diamond sword, sword? You cannot afford, my diamond sword, sword. Even if you could, I have a patent. No one else can make a sword exactly in this manner, manner. Welcome to my manner, manner. I kinda swing, swing, swing my sword, sword. Whenever I get bored, bored, I can swing my sword, sword. I can swing my sword, sword. Once I hit the floorboards, but I had it restored, and it was expensive, but it was a write-off. Swinging is my business, and by that I mean swinging swords. Please do not ignore. Do you like my sword? That was rhetorical. You know I am the oracle. I know you like my sword. It's made of freaking dime.
Basket.
Look at little Tim Tim sleeping so soundly.
Wake up, Timmy! What is a monster?
Don't be scared, Timmy, or he'll eat you. Monsters smell fear, lucky for you. I got a
Safety torch!
put it on your body.
It's a safety torch!
Put it in the hallway.
Safety torch! Yellow monsters away! Safety torch! That'll be $50.
But my house is on fire.
Tim Tim, things are looking grim, grim, but lucky for you, I have come with a solution.
Your lucky day.
Safety water, put it in a bunker. Safety water, pour it on the fire. Safety water, maybe make the bubble burn. Safety water, first one's on the house.
I see what you did there. First one's on the house.
Basket.
Stargate, Ubisoft, Sparkle. A white matrix picks a date, then fade.
And people say Rome wasn't built in a day.
Bloom transition.
The birds
Get the hell out of there.
because they know something's going down. Is he gonna die? No, it's a medium shot.
Pan.
Zoom in slow-mo means he's the target. Mysterious hooded man watches from a distance. Take a second to look awesome. Time to go walk in slow motion so you still look awesome. God just saw you and he's gonna shoot you, but don't mind him, just keep looking awesome. That shadow will take care of him. White
God says stop, just kill him with your awesome. The other got hit by an arrow, so you're good.
of the Red Sea. Hopefully those gods